Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for today, I'm sharing with you some color recipes for Valentine's. Let's make Joyful Pink, Soft Lilac, Sunrise Violet, and Romantic Red. These are very yummy colors to use when you're making candy hearts for Valentine's. For our longtime subscribers, you know the drill. We will be cleaning our work area first. I use some alcohol and wipe down the surface of my glass mat. I use a glass mat because it's super easy to clean. For our first color, we will need Sculpey Premo in light pink and Sculpey Souffle in turnip. I am using my new set of clay from Sculpey, which is why all of them are soft and not crumbly. I cut up some light pink and pass it through the number 3 setting on my ruler. After conditioning it for a bit, it is ready to be cut. I just get a circular cutter and punch a circle. For purposes of making the recipes easier to follow, let's refer to this circle as one part. Next, I cut some turnip color and again pass it through the ruler into the number 3 setting. It is important to use a consistent thickness setting when rolling out your parts so that your recipe can easily be duplicated. After conditioning, I punch another circle. This turnip circle then gets to be cut into eighths using a tissue blade. To make my color, I need 1 part light pink and 1/8 part turnip. This gets passed through the roller multiple times until the colors fully combine. I'm naming the resulting color Sunrise Violet. For the next color, we will again use light pink and turnip, but this time we're adding a third color, which is Sculpey Premo in mauve. I roll out the light pink and punch a circle. I roll out the mauve into the number 3 setting and again punch a circle. Like my turnip color, this also gets cut into eighths using my clay blade. Get 1 part pink, 1/8 part mauve, 1/16 part of the turnip color, and mix these 3 colors until fully incorporated. And you will get our second color, which is Soft Lilac. Moving on, let's put a dark hue into this mix to contrast with all my pastels. I'm adding Sculpey Premo in Pomegranate and 3 1/8 pieces of Sculpey Souffle in Turnip. This gives my red a deeper hue. If you can tell, there is a particular color that runs through all my recipes, and in this case, it is the Souffle in Turnip. Having a single color run through all my recipes ensures that my colors go well together. And finally, we are down to our last color. This time, I'm using the third color that I mixed, which is Romantic Red, and combining it with some light pink. Use 1 part of the light pink and 1/8 of the Romantic Red. And finally, 1/8 of the Turnip. I caution you in using strong colors like red because a little of it goes a long way. Mix these 3 colors together and you get Joyful Pink. I hope that these colors inspire you and come in handy when you do your Valentine collections. Have a crafty weekend! Bye!